Welcome back. You're watching News Now, and with a buoyant IPO market now, let's understand how this capital rush impacts the rest of the market. My colleague Sharad is here with some interesting data on how the Nifty has moved after the listings of some of the biggest companies. Sharad, we've seen several listings in the past 1 to 1.5 years. How has the market moved with respect to those listings?
Out the liquidity in the markets and also how Nifty has behaved. Now let's look at the top 5 or the top 6 IPOs in terms of size. Hyundai, it's up more than 25,000 crore now. LIC, Paytm, Coal India already came, and Swiggy also expectation is of almost 11,700 crore rupees when it comes to the IPOs. But now let's see how Nifty performs on a 1-month basis, 6-month basis and a 1-year basis when we compare the 5 largest IPOs which have been come under the issue. The first one being, of course, LIC over here. Over the 1-month numbers, if you look at it, there has been a reduction. Also, when it comes to Paytm, Coal India also, we see there is a significant downtick coming in. Overall, the first month itself, you see at an average level, that is where the reduction happens. But Paytm, Coal India and even Reliance Power, that's an anomaly, 40% downtick in the first year. That is the Nifty's move coming in after the major listings. Now, this is the total picture which we have presented you to the top 5 largest IPO issuances which are on record. But now let's take the average numbers, what it stands. On a 1-month basis, it's a 3% downtick for the Nifty, while for 6 months, it's a 2% downtick. Now also the 1-year numbers, you see it's highly skewed because of the impact of the 2008 global financial crisis as well. But apart from the large IPOs such as Hyundai coming in, there are other IPOs also in calendar year 2024 which are expected to kick in. Swiggy of almost 11,644 crore rupees, LG Electronics ranging between almost $1 to $1.5 billion. That's almost 8,400 to 13,000 crore rupees. And also NTPC Green, where 10,000 crore of IPOs expected to kick in. And all these 3 issues are expected to happen by the end of this year. So a lot of major IPOs are also expected to be lined up in the last quarter, in the last 4 to 5 months for 2024. And that is something which the history suggests or the data suggests there might be a certain downtick when it comes to the broader markets as well as the benchmark indices.
Yes, Sharad, lots of IPOs on the annual, and definitely we're expecting a push to the Indian markets as well on the back of those listings. Meanwhile,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.